What up, y'all, and welcome to our channel. It's been a while since we've done a video, and we're actually in Sydney, Australia. That's right, I said Sydney, Australia, and we want to take a journey here, and we want to take y'all along with us. So sit back, enjoy the ride, and let's go.
So guys, we have just come from the famous Marrickville pork roll shop. It's just a hole in the wall, but it's famous for a lot of those Sydney siders who love banh mi's. So we have got the crispy pork belly banh mi. Normally I get the chicken, but I thought I'll try pork belly, even though I don't really eat a lot of pork. But I've been told this is delicious, but it is overloaded with filling. Has carrot, lettuce, onion, cucumber, coriander, chili, the meats, the sauces. I don't know what this white thing is. Do you? Anyway, whatever it is, it's nice. I've had it in banh mi's before. But as you can tell by the queue, this place is well known. We've never tried their banh mi's before. We normally go to the famous Hong Ha. But we thought since we're in Marrickville, we may as well stop by and try the famous Marrickville pork roll. So you can see the meat there. Oh man, it looks like it's got loads of flavour. So ready to go in for gold.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna go in for gold now. Just gonna have a nice big bite of this if I can. This bread seems so crispy. You just gotta taste it and see. Oh boy, man, that bread is crispy, but oh man, the flavors, when you bite into that, man, you can taste that pork. It has a lot of flavor, and then all the vegetables and sauces that they use. Oh man, this is just absolutely perfect. Man, this is just delicious. I cannot believe this. Oh my god, man, I'll tell you what,
there it goes.
look at Lil's one. This here is so delicious. It's crazy. I can't believe this. Now this banh mi has hit a spot of all banh mi's I had so far. This is a banh mi. My goodness.
This is the best. So good. Look at that.
Man. You can just see that pork belly. Oh man. This is by far one of the best pork belly rolls I had. And I always get one when I come. And I go get a banh mi from anywhere. I always get a pork belly crackling roll, and oh my god, this is just knocked out the ballpark, man.
It is perfection.
If you're ever in Marrickville, hit up the Marrickville pork roll place here. Man, no disappointment whatsoever. None. You gotta try it. Okay people, we made it to our last spot for today. We are at the beautiful Brighton Le Sands here in Sydney, and just behind me you got Port Botany, and also you got the Sydney International Airport, and what you may spot a plane or two coming in, but I tell you what, it's an absolute beautiful day, and what a way to end it than right here at this beautiful spot here, because with a full stomach I'm gonna be wanting to go home soon, because you know, after you get a full stomach, it's nap time. But so, tell you what, it's just been a beautiful day. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button. You want to see us some more? Hit that subscribe button. Follow us in our little journey that we're going on. We'd love to see you here. So on that note, I'm going to end this video right here, and we'll see y'all in our next one. All right, Peace.